Students, today we are going to study the formation method of amines. And in your study syllabus, ethylamine is the compound of amines. Its molecular formula is C2H5NH2 and its IUPAC name ethenamine. Its structural formula is C single bond C single bond N H H and H H and H and NH is the structural formula of ethylamine. Here first we discussed about the preparation method of ethylamine and take most important method named lab method of ethylamine. This method is also known as Hoffman's bromoamide reaction or method. Especially this method is nominated by Hoffman's bromoamide method. What is the concept of this method or what is the principle of this method? So we say that propionamide, the formula of propionamide is C2H5CONH2 react with bromine and caustic potash. Bromine Bi2 and caustic potash KOH to form ethylamine C2H5NH2. It is the main product of this reaction and releases potassium bromide KBr and also subtracted potassium carbonate K2CO3 with water H2. For balancing, use 2 and 4 because potassium atoms are 2 and 2, total 4. This reaction is known as Hoffman bromide reaction or also called Hoffman's bromoamide reaction. It is also known as Hoffman hypobromide reaction. It is completed in multi-steps, but we provide this reaction in a single step. Now we take its figure and then we explain the preparation method of ethylamine. Now we make the figure for the formation of ethylamine in lab. We take a round neck flask it is also put up in water heater for heating. the mouth part, we fix the thistle funnel. Thermometer for the measuring of temperature, and conjugation tube for the collecting of products. We close the mouth of flask with rubber band, and we fixed it. In a stand. This conjugation tube is connected with living condenser. This equipment is used for the cooling or condensing of this product. This receptor is also taken in cool medium. Here we use cold water or ice piece for providing the cool atmosphere or low atmosphere temperature. In living condenser, one-sided cold water in and other-sided hot water out. This cold water is used for the cooling of this product. Water in and water out. Here we take cold water, also we use ice for the providing cool temperature. Here cold water in and in this side hot water out. This equipment is known as living condenser and it is known as receptor. And it is known as thermometer. Here we used water heater for provide us energy. This is burner for heating of flask. With the help of thistle funnel, we dip potassium hydroxide in this flask, KOH. And here also, first we take the mixture of, equal mixture of propionamide and bromine. So C2H5 CONH2 and plus Br. This is the equipments, lab preparation method equipments of ethylamine. According to this method, we take the equal or same quantities of propionamide and bromine in this round bottom flask. And is in neck region we fix the Thysell funnel, thermometer and conjugation tube. This conjugation tube is added with leading condenser and receptor. This receptor provides the cool atmosphere here and provides us the setup of this equipment as a diaphragm. After heating, chemical reaction will start and then multi-step changes are available here near about 60 to 70 degrees Celsius temperature. It gives the steam of ethylamine. This is steamed out. Ethylamine is passes through with the help of connecting tube and it cooled down by Levy condenser and collected in liquid form from receptor. This type of produced amine, ethylamine, C2H5NH2 have some impurities. So in the case of their purification, we create their crystallization. After crystallization, it creates pure form. Now we discussed about the other preparation methods of ethylamine. Now second method is named by the reduction of nitroethylene. The formula of nitroethylene is C2H5NO2. It is the best example of nitroalkanes. Students, you know that nitroalkanes provide by the nitration of alkanes. For example, the simple formula of alkanes is RH, and in the case of nitration reaction we use nitric acid, HNO2. We also write it HONO2. It makes nitroalkane, RNO2, and releases hydrogen bottom H2. For example, ethane C2H5H react with nitric acid to form C2H5NO2 and plus H2. So here it is in the formation method of nitroethane. So method named by the reduction of nitroethane. When nitroethane is reduced by the mixture of T and HCl, Sn plus HCl gives SnCl2 plus H2. It is the nascent hydrogen. So the case of reduction of nitroethane C2H5NO2 plus nascent hydrogen H, tin and HCl, Sn plus HCl make C2H5NH2 and release water molecule H2. Nitrogen consume hydrogen to form amine NH2 and oxygen also consume hydrogen to form water molecule. So the total consuming hydrogens atom are 4 to 6. So we make ethylamine by the reduction of nitroethane. Now next method, by the reduction of methyl cyanide. The formula of methyl cyanide is CH3Cl In the case of reduction, CH3Cl is reduced by nascent hydrogen. It is provided by the mixture of sodium and ethanol, C2H5OH. So we say that the reduction of methyl cyanide by sodium and ethanol mixture. This carbon consuming hydrogens to form CH2 and this nitrogen consuming hydrogens to form amine and make CH3 CH2 NH2. It is named ethylamine and its formula is C2H5NH2. So these are the best preparation methods of ethylamine. Now another class we discussed about the other preparation methods of ethylamine with their chemical reactions.